Let's start the discussion. We have already covered 1.1 to 1.18. So continue with 1.19 SSC JE. SSC JE for noon ये 2017 में आया हुआ है. So the question is, a football was inflated to a gauge pressure of 1 bar when the ambient temperature was 15 degrees Celsius. When the game started next day, the air temperature at the stadium was 5 degrees Celsius. Assume that the volume of the football remains constant at 2500 centimeter cube. Gauge pressure of air to which the ball must have been originally inflated so that it would equal to 1 bar at the stadium pressure. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में है कि वॉल्यूम हमारा कांस्टेंट है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू गेज लॉ pressure is proportional to temperature. So if here in the stadium temperature is changing to 5 degrees Celsius, so pressure also changes. So in question asked, if temperature changes to 5 degrees Celsius but we need to maintain the pressure 1 bar, so एट द इनिशियली मतलब स्टार्टिंग में हमें कौन से प्रेशर पे बॉल को इन्फ्लेटेड करना चाहिए ताकि 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे दूसरे दिन हमारे बॉल का प्रेशर 1 बार ही रहे. तो यहाँ पे हमसे ओरिजिनल प्रेशर पूछा गया है कि इनिशियल कितना प्रेशर होना चाहिए ताकि हमारा प्रेशर 1 बार मेंटेन रहे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू Gay-Lussac law, pressure is proportional to temperature and volume is constant. So by this formula we can write it like this. As we know, the initial temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. After, if we convert into Kelvin, then this become 288 and T2 278. Gauge pressure 1 bar, we need to absolute pressure equals to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Gauge pressure 1 bar and atmospheric pressure is 1.01, so 2.01. We need to initial pressure. So P2 is 2.01. Value of T1 is 288 and T2 is 278. After solving it, we get 2.07. We ask in question what is the gauge pressure. So by this formula we need gauge pressure. So gauge pressure equals to absolute pressure minus atmospheric pressure. This is absolute pressure, so 1.07 bar. Option C is correct option. This question is similar to this question is similar to earlier one, because in this question asked the amount of heat lost by the air in the football and gauge pressure of the air in the football at the stadium respectively. Here asked what is the pressure at the stadium. No need to maintain 1 bar, or no, doesn't matter. If temperature changes from 15 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, then at the stadium what was the pressure at the stadium. So let's find out this. First of all, we need to find the heat loss. Heat loss means at volume is constant, the formula of heat mCV delta T. We have change in temperature. We know here is air, so that the value of CV is 0.718 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and mass PV equals to mRT. We have the value of pressure, volume, R is a uni uni universal gas constant.